This is my brother, the illest. Alright, give a spec of the car, man.
Sparco seats, low ride rails, 4-point Sparco belt harnesses, full HKS exhaust, AMS ceramic headers,
Alright.
high blow cats from HKS, Spectre intake setup, gonna change that. AMS suspension components, AMS brakes, reels and cross reels rotors.
Very important on that one. Blow your face off.
AMS pads, ceramic carbon, and a little bit of weight reduction.
Yeah, a little bit. Don't worry, all that's coming out.
We got some finishing to do, but it's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
We gotta work on some tunes. Not happening right now.
Yeah, empty there, buddy.
YouTube action.
Yep. Yeah, we're done. Oh yeah, can't forget Salt Life sponsorship and HKS, which is the best.